All right, we're out here super late. It's 7:43. Supposed to be out here like 2 hours ago. We're gonna try to see what we can get. I'm gonna start at this first dock where I always, oh, I just had a bite. First cast in there. I got up at 4:30, told myself, I got a little bit of time, so I just said, all right, I'll take 5 minutes. 5 minutes turned into like an hour. I woke up at 6:30, I freaked out. You know, like that, like how you're in school. If you woke up late and you're late for school, you jump out of bed like the house is on fire. Yeah, that was me. That's pretty much how my morning's going. Forgetting stuff, late start to the morning. But we're gonna make the best of it. We're gonna stick it through and hopefully we'll catch something. All right, we're back where we started this morning. Took about an hour. It's about 10 o'clock now. 10 o'clock on the dot. We gotta make something happen before it gets stupid hot out here. Huh. Okay, so there is bass in here. I've just seen a bass chase a little bluegill or something. That's cool. There he is again. Oh, he hit it. Oh. Got one. That was a good one too. That's a good one. There's a little guy right there. 16. All right. Okay. Goodbye. Good bass. I'm on him today now. It's a skin guy. The fish are here, you just gotta fish for them slow. Oh, saw him come up and get it. Okay. Came up to the boat and grabbed it. Didn't mess up my worm one bit either.